Okay, good day everyone. So we are Group 5 and I am Ethel Almanzor. Together with me is Miss Leslie Ann de Ocampo Parco and Miss Mary Antaboso Quiña. And our topic for today is simplifying financial reporting and compliance through the use of a unified accounting software program. So let us proceed with the introduction. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies are struggling to maintain accurate and compliant records, as well as adhering to financial regulations. Finance teams have to spend hours recording report and reconciling data because of outdated or multiple complex accounting systems that don't communicate with each other. Our study investigates how the adoption of a unified accounting system which houses everything digitally might help alleviate this problem and provide accurate and efficient solutions to the financial operations of an organization. Next slide.
Yes, for the main objective to recommend the use of a unified accounting software platform in simplifying financial reporting processes and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Um, for specific objectives, examine the existing financial reporting and compliance systems to find inefficiencies and problems. For the second bullet, that would be identify the core features and functionalities needed for a unified accounting software platform. For the third bullet, that will be evaluate several accounting software packages based on their effectiveness, compliance, support, and visibility. For the fourth bullet, measure the effect of a unified accounting platform on financial accuracy, compliance, efficiency, and reporting speed. And for the last bullet, bullet number 5, recommend using a single accounting software platform based on the findings to streamline financial reporting operations and ensure compliance with regulatory standards.
For the methodology, this study applied a face-to-face survey with accounting professionals, gathering data from respondents that are already using accounting software, focusing on factors like time spent on reporting tasks, accuracy of financial data, and regulatory compliance. The data will be analyzed quantitatively to measure the unified accounting software impact on efficiency and accuracy. The value of these studies lies in its ability to recommend and provide actionable insight for business considering or adopting a unified accounting system. This study will contribute to the broader body of knowledge on accounting system integration and its practical approach during transition. Finally, this research will support simplifying accounting operations, optimizing reporting processes, and boosting long-term financial performance.
Okay, so as you can see, um, here's the sample of our survey. It was conducted face to face and it comprises 20 sets of questions. So our questions were formulated in such a way that it will provide an answer to our objectives as mentioned earlier. So next slide. For the results in Pampanga, so I focused on the main objective of this study, whether to recommend or not to recommend the use of a unified accounting system. In here, I used two statistical formula. The first one is the frequency table, which is reflected on the left side of our screen at the bottom part. You can see the table and as well as the ANOVA test, which you can see at the right part of our presentation, the last two, what do you call this one, the formula. And can we jump on the conclusion? Okay, for the conclusion for Pampanga, the graph shows that 73% of the respondents strongly agrees or recommends the use of single accounting software platform and using ANOVA test wherein our null hypothesis is that um, there is no significant difference in the recommendation levels among different financial professions, while the alternative hypothesis is at least one profession has a different recommendation. But based on the result, the p-value is less than 0.05. That's why we are rejecting the null hypothesis, because it indicates statistically that there's a significant difference in ratings among profession. However, it is important to note that all respondents either recommends or strongly recommends the use of a unified accounting platform. Notably, there were no responses falling under do not recommend or strongly do not recommend, demonstrating unanimous positive support across all professional groups. And for the recommendation, um, our recommendation is to implement the use of unified accounting software program. Okay, for Quezon City.
Yeah, for Quezon City, the sample part of the questionnaire is ranking of features from most important to least important in an accounting software, wherein one is the most important and number 12, that will be the least important. For the analysis, the top one is the real-time financial reporting with 28 frequency, compliance tracking and reporting. That will be the top two for with 26 uh, respondents. And the top three, data security and encryption, got 24 respondents. Audit trail and logs got 23 respondents. So these top four features, it deeply clear emphasize on up-to-date, secure, and compliant accounting software. They are vital for transparency, data protection, and adhering to the regulations. So the most critical feature is real-time financial reporting, suggesting that businesses value timely insights into financial data. And then security and compliance, it dominates the top ranks, indicating higher concern for regulatory standards and protecting sensitive information. For the user experience features like dashboards and multi-currency support, those are in lower rank. That indicates a focus on domestic core operations over personalization or global needs. For the conclusion, next slide. Okay, for Quezon City, frequency table reveals the most valued features in an accounting software as perceived by respondents based on average ranking and number of respondents who rated each feature. Respondents placed the highest value on core, compliance-related, and real-time operational features as we move forward towards more advanced functionalities. Then it indicates that any accounting system should prioritize real-time reporting, compliance, and data security as functional capabilities. Then for the recommendation for Quezon City, for the implementation of use of unified accounting software program to simplify financial reporting and compliance, it will focus product development on real-time, compliant, secure, and user-friendly accounting software. Use lower rank features as add-ons, ensuring the software meets current demands and future scalability.
So for the Ortigas, one of the result of is the respondents' perspective on the improvement of accuracy as regards to financial reporting through the adoption of unified accounting platform. So the data shows the respondents' perspective and the percentage of those respective individuals who agreed. So for the conclusion, so the data describes through charts and table that 97% of respondents respectively agree that adopting unified accounting software on the platform can significantly improve the accuracy in terms of utilizing and simplifying financial reports, while 3% respondent believe that there will be no change even after the adoption. So I use the one-way ANOVA test combination with the frequency table suggests to reject the null hypothesis due to the lack of evidence support the claim that there a significant improvement of accuracy in terms of the adoption of unified accounting platform to financial report. So 1% is small portion of response believe that even after the adoption, there is no significant effect in relation to the financial reporting accuracy. However, it could not affect the adoption of unified accounting software platform. So for the recommendation, it is to utilize the benefits of adopting unified accounting software platform across business unit just to strengthen to strengthen the critical areas such as consistent applications of accounting standards, enhance audit trails, reduce compliance risk, improve data accuracy, and lastly is to simplify regulatory reporting. So that's all for Ortigas. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ano kaya nangyayari?